Well guys, welcome back to another Dunholm adventure. You see, I'm here at Hartlepool Rugby Club and we're going to have a look round the Hartlepool Car Show. Get you when we're in there, guys. This is the, I think this is the modified section. We'll have a look up that side later. Nice, all the beamers. Look at that induction. Oh, it's got the green lights on there. Look at that induction. Quite a few BMWs here, I can see. I mean, look at this one. Look at the detail in there. Nice little detailing on there. Reminds me of the McRae. Well, I think it's a replica of the Colin McRae one. Let's have a look at this. Wow. Look at that. Full spec inside there. Look at rally setup. It's a nice little display here for the Subaru. Nice. Look at this in the boot. If in doubt, flat out. Colin McRae. That's pretty smart, isn't it? I think that's for charity. They've got a couple of tins out, one for prostate cancer and the other one's for Macmillan. It's nice, that, isn't it? Nice. Oh, here's a little bug. There's quite a few people here today. Look at this. Look at that. Triumph. Oh, there's a little MG. Oh, Cozzy coming in. It's a Riley. Look at that. Little Magneto there. We've just had a great pizza from these guys here at Whitley Bay Pizza Company. Check them out, they're available for events and they're catering at this event today. Great. So on. Good night, my man. Cheers, thank you. Oh, here's a little bit of the menu choice as well. He asked us for a kiss, but I said no, I'm alright, thank you.
No, you did. You said yes.
Cheers, mate, all the best. You've got the modern cars Seen some old ones there, some souped up ones. Here is the modern versions, the Tesla's owners, UK. All the Teslas here, look at these, look how smart these are. The front boot. I mean, they do look smart inside, like, don't they? That's the dual motor. Look at that. So, this camper van, this is a bit of us, isn't it, Nicola? Yeah. Switch you around, show you. Look at that. What a beast. Look at the rims on it. It's got the all white walls. Little suitcase there. Let's have a look at it. Look how smart that is. It's got the pop top on. I know. It's got everything you need. Smart that.
I absolutely love these old style VW.
And this is called the Comma. Let's have a look at the front of it, eh? The visibility. Yes. This event, the proceeds are going to charity, and it's in aid of the Alice House Hospice. I'll put a link in the description if you want to go ahead and donate to that good cause. But what a great day. Quite a few people turned out for it. A load of different cars. You've got old cars, you've got modified cars, you've got the new Teslas. So it's great, absolutely great, as you can see. Quite a few people turned out. A couple of food vendors, just like the Whitley Bay Pizza Company. So it's all good, I'm enjoying it. Well guys, that was the Hartlepool Car Show. There wasn't much talking on this because it's all about looking at the cars. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Like I always say, get out, have an adventure and make memories. All the best guys.